Did you know that 80% of chronic diseases could be avoided through a healthy lifestyle? Yes, it's a jarring truth, but our health is largely in our hands. By making daily choices that prioritize wellness, we can prevent a significant percentage of chronic diseases. It's time we took control of our health, not out of fear, but out of love for ourselves and for a vibrant life. Now think about it. Wouldn't it be great if you could be part of the 20% who live a healthy lifestyle and avoid these diseases? Well, you can. The first step to a healthier you is nourishing your body with the right foods. Imagine your body as a high-performance sports car. It needs the right fuel to run smoothly. That's where a balanced diet comes into play. It's not just about eating less, it's about eating right. Fruits and vegetables are nature's multivitamins, packed with essential nutrients to keep our bodies thriving. Lean proteins, on the other hand, are building blocks for our muscles, keeping us strong and energetic. And let's not forget about whole grains. They're the slow-burning fuel that keeps our engines running throughout the day. Now imagine these foods as your body's best friends. They're there to support, nourish, and help you thrive. But remember, balance is key. Too much of anything, even the good stuff, could upset the balance. Remember, what you put into your body directly impacts how you feel and function, so choose wisely. The second step in achieving a healthy lifestyle involves getting up and moving. Now, you might be wondering, why is this so important? Regular physical activity plays a crucial role in maintaining not only a healthy weight, but also a healthy mind. It's all about balance. When you move your body, you're helping it to burn calories, build strength, and increase stamina. But that's not all. Exercise also releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that boost your mood and reduce stress. In addition, consistent physical activity can help prevent chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even some types of cancer. It's not about becoming an athlete overnight, but rather incorporating small bursts of activity into your daily routine. This can be as simple as a brisk walk around the block, a morning yoga class, or a quick home workout. So, whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga class, or a quick workout, make sure to move your body every day. The third and equally important step to a healthy lifestyle is ensuring you get enough rest. Yes, we're talking about sleep and relaxation. They're not just about feeling less tired. They're essential components of a healthy lifestyle. Sleep is when the body goes to work repairing and rejuvenating itself. It's the time when your body can focus on recovery, allowing your muscles to heal and grow, and your mind to process and store new information. When we skimp on sleep, we're not just feeling groggy. We're opening the door to a host of potential health issues, from impaired memory to weakened immunity, even increased risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease and diabetes. Relaxation, too, plays a pivotal role. Techniques such as mindfulness, deep breathing, and yoga can help manage stress, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of well-being. So make sure to give your body the rest it needs to repair, rejuvenate, and function optimally. Achieving a healthy lifestyle is one thing, but maintaining it is another. It's a lifelong commitment, a promise you make to yourself every day when you wake up. It's about making the right choices consistently, not just when you feel like it. Consistency is key. It's about building habits that stick, eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep shouldn't be something you do occasionally, but rather a part of your everyday routine. It's like brushing your teeth or taking a shower. It's just something you do. Regular checkups are also crucial in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. They give you a clear insight into your health status and can alert you to any potential issues before they become major problems. They're like your body's report card, letting you know how well you're doing and where you can improve. But perhaps the most important aspect of maintaining a healthy lifestyle is fostering a positive mindset. It's about loving and accepting yourself for who you are and understanding that it's okay to have off days. It's about finding joy in the journey towards better health, not just the end result. It's about celebrating your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a destination. So, take it one step at a time and enjoy the process. After all, the goal isn't to live forever, but to live a life that's full of vitality, energy, and overall well-being. Now that's what we call living a healthy lifestyle.